Now, you know, I haven't accompanied anybody for years.
Well,
now I'm a soloist myself, you know. Well, I felt fine. I'd like to know what are you going to do?
Come back to Surrey.
Thank you. Must have been somebody who haven't heard it before. Now, as you know, when I used to be in a company, that I had 3 kinds of accompaniment.
Yeah.
One, I charged $200. That was excellent. That was brilliant. Of course, you could hardly hear the singer in that one. I had one for about, I would say, $150. That wasn't so hard to do. You know, what can you do with one hand after all? Then I had one for $100, but that one
I know that, and I don't have one yet.
Which one do you wish?
Boy, she's trying to get that tongue right in there.
What you think?
Okay. Won't cost too much tonight.
Oh, she found something.
Okay. Penny, you ready?
Part of a raisin.
I like mine better. Oh, there was something in the piano that's not Lorenzo?
Oh boy, the empty bowl.